equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing the battery in your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have your laptop running smoothly in no time. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Make sure you have a compatible replacement battery ready as well. Begin by powering off your laptop completely. Disconnect any peripherals and remove the power adapter. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power in the device before you start. Next, flip your ThinkPad X1 Yoga over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery. It's usually a large rectangular component. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery from the motherboard. There will be a connector that you can gently pull out using your fingers or the spudger. Once disconnected, remove any screws securing the battery in place. Carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. Take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is connected properly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Our professional diagnosis without obligation can help you decide the best course of action. Now, carefully align the back cover and press it down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws to secure the back cover, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. Finally, flip your laptop back over, reconnect the power adapter, and power it on. Check the battery status to ensure it's recognized and charging correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your device significantly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.